So we're told that in the year 1998, Gene's annual salary was greater than Kevin's. And then we're told that in each of 1999 and 2000, Gene's annual salary was 3% greater in that year than in the preceding year. So you have a 3% increment in each of those years. And Kevin's annual salary was also 3% greater in that year than in the preceding year. Question is, by what percent did the difference between Gene's and Kevin's annual salaries increase from 1998 to 2000? So this is a 2-year period. So I'll start by using the quantities J and K to represent their salaries in 1998. So once you have the 3% increment in 1999, Gene's salary would be 1.03J. Here would be 1.03K. And then here we'll get another multiplier of 1.03 because it's a 3% increment. And here also we'll get the same. They're asking what percent did the difference between their salaries. So it was J, Gene's was greater. So this is what it was in 1998. And then in 2000, it would be the difference between those two, 1.03 square J minus 1.30 square K. You'll notice I can factor out the 1.30 square. So that's the difference in 2000. They're asking what's the change in that difference, meaning the percent change between that and this. And that's essentially, this is the increase. You divide by the original. Some of you may not need to do this if you kind of recognize what needs to be done. And you'll see J minus K would drop out. You will end up with this times 100, and that would be the answer. So we can do the computation here. You can actually, I just realized you can do, I don't know if that really saves time. I was thinking difference of squares. So this would be 0.03 and then 2.03. Maybe it helps. And then 2. So this would be, no. So I think, yeah, let me just go back here. This and that becomes 3. So that's why I just need to do this multiplication, 2.03 times 3, and I get 6.09. And that's the answer. Choice D.